Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you about this question that we're going to be talking about in class. We're going to be focusing on how carbon is cycled through an ecosystem. So how does that work? So basically, we have energy from the sun that the plants absorb, and they go through what's called photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is where plants will take in sunlight, carbon dioxide, which is CO2 here, and then H2O, which is water. They'll take in those three things, and they're able to make their own food out of that. So what they do is they make glucose and oxygen. Okay, that's what this O2 is. That's oxygen, and glucose, which is like sugar. And they actually will eat the sugar. So the glucose is actually like their food that they eat. And then the oxygen they actually give off as a waste product. So that's how we get oxygen. We get it from plants. Then we have our little caterpillar here. The caterpillar will eat the plant, just like we eat plants. We eat salads, different plants like fruits and all those types of things. So that's where we get our glucose from. So every food we eat has glucose in it. Now, if we're eating meat, that still has glucose in it, because whether you have an animal who eats meat, the meat that that animal eats usually eats plants, and then some animals that we eat, they eat plants. So we get glucose from everything that we eat. The caterpillar, pretend that it eats the leaf, and it ends up getting glucose from that leaf, and it's able to carry out everyday activities. It's able to get energy from what it eats in that leaf. Also, we take in oxygen from what the plants give off, and we change it into carbon dioxide and water. Okay, so one more time, photosynthesis occurs when we have sunlight and carbon dioxide and water. The plant takes those three things in, and then in turn makes glucose, which is actually, since we're talking about carbon, it is C6O12H. Wait, no, oh my gosh, that's wrong. C6H12O6. Okay, and if you've learned anything about chemistry, or know anything about chemistry, the C6 says that there's 6 carbons in glucose, 12 hydrogen molecules, and 6 oxygen molecules. So glucose is actually made up of carbon, which is, we eat the carbon and then we expel it with carbon dioxide, and the cycle kind of goes through the ecosystem. So that's one way that carbon is cycled through the ecosystem.